the cherry puree that we're going to do with the steak.
Yeah, this
is
is
really,
interesting.
Yeah, this is really simple. I mean, I felt that like when you're eating the bone marrow with the steak, you need something like sweet and kind of
Yes.
like, you know, it's nice to have that little bit of sweetness with it and a little bit of acid, and you have the onion flavor. So it's a really simple dish. You just simple preparation. You just
Get some dried cherries?
Yeah, you just took some dried cherries, some white balsamic, and you just put a little bit of water. You bring it to a boil to rehydrate.
Yeah.
And once they're rehydrated, you really just got to puree them in a blender with
That's
a little bit
it?
of sea salt.
No oil,
and
nothing
I put black
else?
pepper. That's it. Yeah.
Can I taste that?
Yep, absolutely.
Looks like ketchup almost.
Yeah, it's great. Well, I guess it kind of does like play up to that kind of ketchup with beef, you know,
Wow.
kind of like combination.
That's right.
So
It's
yeah,
really
it goes
great.
great. It cuts through the marrow really nicely.
I put
So-
anything fatty like foie gras or something with that would be nice.
And that's kind of what motivated too, thinking about foie gras with
Really?
beef and the
Yeah.
marrow with beef. So, okay, well the cherries have been cooking a little bit now. We just had them on the induction burner at a moderate heat. They're softened up nicely. We had the white balsamic in it, and we're going to puree them, make a nice cherry puree with salt.
Great.
That's great. The good thing about these blenders is that you don't even need too much in the blender to make an awesome puree with.
Yeah, that's a problem
Doesn't take much.
sometimes.
Yep. And the end result is just, you could puree it as little or as much as you want. I already put a little bit of salt in it, and we could taste it, and maybe put a little more.
And you don't really need too much liquid either.
It's good. Yeah, it's a little sweet. I think we can get a little salt. And like I said, the end result, you can have any consistency you want. I like it a little bit thicker because we're kind of dolloping on top of the steak.
Right.